Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by triggering the official recovery flow. Choose Forgot Password on the sign-in page and enter the account identifier. Once done, check the recovery email and SMS for a code or link and scan your spam folder. Make sure to search alternate inboxes and any linked accounts. If you set up a recovery phone, expect a 6-digit code. If not, move to backup options. This preserves legitimacy and avoids risky guessing, so you stay in control of the account. Now check your devices. Open your browser's saved passwords or your password manager. You might already have the credentials stored. If two-factor was enabled, retrieve backup codes or use the Authenticator app and any recovery key you saved. If automated options fail, contact the services support. Provide proof of identity like account creation date, recent transactions, or device info. This helps them verify you without breaching security. Stay patient. Support can require verification steps to protect the account. Finally, once you regain access, immediately set a strong, unique password and save it in your password manager. This prevents needing recovery again. Re-enable two-factor authentication and securely store backup codes or a recovery key offline. Make sure devices and recovery emails are up to date. If you still can't access the account, use the official appeal or escalations channel and supply requested identity verification. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to document all attempted steps and communications so support can resolve the issue faster.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.